Yên Thế district provides the market with more than 14 million chickens every year, grossing approximately 1.3 to 1.5 trillion dong, equivalent to 56 to 65 million dollars. The industry provides sustainable livelihoods for the locals. Yên Thế chickens have crossed the Vietnamese border to penetrate foreign markets. The brand name Gà Đồi Yên Thế or Yên Thế Hill chickens has been protected and recognized in Laos, China, and Singapore. This type of chicken was named one of ASEAN's best foods in 2013.
In order to maintain the excellent quality of Yên Thế chickens, firstly, my family breeds only 2 varieties that have been registered and approved by the locality. Secondly, we only raise them. Thirdly, we strictly adhere to hygiene and disease prevention in chicken breeding. By doing that, we make sure our chickens are at their best quality.
At a seminar on producing, processing, and selling Yên Thế Hill chickens in line with tourism development held recently by Yên Thế district, scientists, relevant ministries and agencies, local authorities and enterprises recommended the sustainable development of Yên Thế Hill chickens. The recommendations aim at improving the product quality and the economic growth of Yên Thế district in particular and Bac Giang province in general.
In order to sustainably develop local chickens, a complete chain, including selecting breeds and animal feeds, breeding, consuming, processing, and distribution should be developed. Among these, selecting the right breeds is very important. The hens should be consistent, while the rooster should be carefully selected from domestic varieties. The district should be more proactive in controlling breeds.
At the Forum on Agriculture and Tourism Development and Promotion, participants discussed initiatives to improve the quality of chickens. They included developing a chicken breeding ecosystem with nearly identical individuals being bred in an ideal environment, diversifying processed chicken products, and restructuring local husbandry to meet the strict requirements of domestic and overseas markets, especially selective ones such as Japan and the European Union.
Under provincial direction, other specialities which are identified by different local districts are also being encouraged to develop. This direction is being implemented in many districts, especially Yên Thế. Besides developing a brand for Yên Thế Hill chickens, other products like tea and goats are also our focus. The district is aiming at sustainable strategic development of local specialty, which I consider to be very good.
At the forum, the Departments of Industry and Trade from Hanoi and Bac Giang signed a memorandum of understanding on sale of Yên Thế Hill chickens. The Provincial People's Committee also inked deals with domestic supermarkets, wholesale markets, and enterprises to open up more opportunities for domestic distribution and the export of Yên Thế chickens.
This year, African swine fever has hit Vietnam and other 28 countries. This has forced food consumption habits to change, and consumers are gradually switching from pork to chicken. This year, we have bred an estimated number of 400 million birds, marking growth of 13% up to this point. Switching the husbandry structure toward poultry and also offers consumer more diverse choices, which accounts for 70% of meat consumption in Vietnam. However, more efforts are needed. We have to establish more cooperatives to make breeding more organized and controllable. Besides, we should carefully study local topographical features, biodiversity, and traditional breeding practice to introduce the finest products to the market.
Efforts to develop the Yên Thế chicken brand by the district of the same name and Bac Giang province have paid off, with rising demand from both local and overseas consumers.